Here we want to differentiate the function f and then find a domain of f. The function f of x is equal to the natural log of the natural log of the natural log of x. So we want to find the derivative of this function. Well, the derivative of this function, we are going to be using the chain rule. So we first find the derivative of the natural log of the natural log of the natural log of x, which becomes 1 over the natural log times the natural log of x, and then times, now we want to find the derivative of the natural log of the natural log of x, which means that this is going to be 1 over the natural log of x, and then we're going to find the derivative of the natural log of x, which is 1 over x. So we have determined what the derivative is. The derivative is going to equal 1 over the natural log times the natural log of x times 1 over the natural log of x times 1 over x. And so there is the derivative of our function. Okay, now what we want to be able to do is we want to find the domain of f. So to define the domain of this function, which is the natural log of the natural log of the natural log of x. Okay, so when we want to find the domain of this function, we need to look at this first. And what that tells us is that the natural log of the natural log of x has to be greater than 0, because we can't take this natural log on the outside of this. We know that it has to be greater than 0. And so now we take a look at this part. Okay, if we take the natural log of the natural log of x, well, this natural log of x, okay, has to be greater than 1. So if we rewrite this as an exponential form, what that tells us is that x must be greater than e. So that means that we know that on our number line, we know that it has to be greater than e. So we have a parenthesis going towards infinity. So it's going to be from e to positive infinity for the domain of the function.